My name is Mike, and I live in Lebanon, New Hampshire. I had been interested in getting Tesla Powerwalls to begin with and was excited that Liberty was taking the initiative to bring this program forward. Having the ability to be a little bit more self-reliant was appealing to me, in addition to the environmental benefits of it as well. It was really easy and quite cost-effective as well, because the pilot program, they subsidize part of the cost of the batteries. The main point person was Missy. She was incredible. She was sort of our advocate at all moments and helped us liaise with Tesla. We have 2 Powerwalls, and they're located in our basement, pretty close to our main electrical panel. Each one is 13.5 kilowatts. So if we lost power and we got into sort of a energy preserving mode at the house, we can run our home for 55 hours. And that's assuming that the sun doesn't come out at all, because we also added a solar system. When the sun comes out, that recharges the battery. It's a beautiful sunny day in July, so you're not really thinking about a nor'easter. But one of the cool things about this system is the app has what's called Stormwatch mode, and so it's downloading information from the National Weather Service. And if there's a nor'easter or snow event that's forecasted, the battery will be cut out of the equation. Liberty will not drain your battery down, and it would leave the battery at 100% full charge. I do work from home, so losing power during the day can present some additional challenges. We've already had small power outages since we got these installed. I know it because of the app, but you don't know it if you're in your house, because it just switches seamlessly between the grid power and the Powerwall. The benefit of the program is that we're stepping off the grid during the peak parts of the program, which, if these get more widely distributed to Liberty's customers, will relieve the strain on the grid. When I got a call from Liberty to ask, I said absolutely, and I think I'm just kind of lucky on scheduling. We're one of 100, and we just happened to be the first installation.